This video is for exercise P2-22, and the first thing that I'm going to do is click on Create 2D Sketch and just select my top plane. Next I'm going to visually verify that it's not rotated so that it's back at the correct orientation, and I'm going to start with my circle, which has a diameter of 3. Now that I have that, I'm going to go to my line command and I'm just going to draw the rest of this shape. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to omit the chamfers from the corners, as I can get to those in a few minutes. Now once I have this in place, I'm going to trim out the bottom of my circle. I'm going to apply equal constraints to this line, this line, this line, and this line. And now I know that I've got my object symmetrical. I'm going to finish my dimensioning for this particular sketch by adding a dimension of 5 right here, 3.5 here, and now I need a constraint that's actually going to tie these into some sort of location. So I'm going to use horizontal between this end point and the center point, and that's going to lock everything into place. I'll go to Finish Sketch and extrude this piece, and I'm going to extrude this a distance of 0.5. Okay, so now that I have my extrusion complete, I'm going to begin to place my holes. So the first hole that I'm going to place, I'm just going to do a linear placement. On this face, it is 0.75 from here. It is 2 from the bottom. It has a diameter, trying to find the diameter in here. It doesn't look like the diameter is listed for this particular exercise. I'm going to go ahead with a diameter of 0.75 and say that it is through all. So I'm going to apply that one. Next I'll click right here, 0.75 off of this end, 2 off of the bottom, apply that one. Next I'm going to put one on here, but for this one I'm going to click right here, and then I'm going to come up here and grab the midpoint. What that midpoint does is it kind of locks me in on the second reference. So I'm going to put in the dimension right here. It's 2.75 or 3.5 minus 2.75. So that's going to be 0.75 down from the top. And then when I click on this line, you should see that it's already in at 2.5, which is directly in the middle, and also has a diameter of 0.75. So I will apply that and then cancel. Next I'm going to go to my chamfer command, which is right here, and it's a distance by distance chamfer with a distance of 0.5. So now I'll go ahead and select my edge here and my edge here, hit the green checkbox, and there we have exercise P2-22 completed.